Okay, now we're going to talk about question 2 of your cumulative formative. So this question asks you to fill in a table for the equation y equals 1/4 x minus 5. So remember, when you're doing this, you're just inputting the x values and seeing what your output, or y, would be. So in place of that x, we're going to put a -4 on this first one. So 1/4 times -4 minus 5. 1/4 times -4 is -1, minus 5 would be -6. Then we're going to do the same thing for 0. 1/4 times 0 is 0, minus 5 is -5. 1/4 times 4 is 1, minus 5 would be -4. And 1/4 times 8 is 2, minus 5 is -3. And that's really all you're doing on these. Depending on what the table is, you would pick x values accordingly. Notice that this one has a fraction in front of the x. This 1/4 is in front of the x. So our x values are multiples of the denominator of that fraction. So if our fraction was 1/3, then we would use numbers like 3, 6, -3, -6, and so on and so forth. If it's not a fraction in front of the x, then you can just use -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So you don't have to use special numbers there. All right, that's it, I think.